In this video, I'm going to show you how to change your Android control panel to the iOS control center. We will change this into this. Now, let's begin. First, we need to install an app. So let's open the Play Store and search for Launcher OS. Here is the app. Let's install it. After the installation, open the app. And then select your language. In my case, choose English. Tap on Continue. Then tap on Continue again. And tap on Get Started. Now, you'll see a screen that says Smart Suggestions. This step is important. It asks for access to your app usage stats. So just tap Allow Access to Usage Stats at the bottom. Then turn on Allow Permission. Tap on Back button. Now you need to set a wallpaper. After that, you'll need to watch a few ads to continue the process. To turn your Android control panel into a real iOS-style control center, open Settings of Launcher OS. Go to Functions tab and tap on Control Center. Now enable this feature to get started. Then allow Launcher OS to be accessible by displaying over any other apps. Turn on Battery Optimization. Lastly, turn on Notification Access. And now you can swipe down to open Control Center. We have successfully turned our Android control panel into the iOS control center. If we drag down from the top right notification bar, it is now completely changed to the iOS control center. Let me know if it works for you and just comment down below for your questions.